Blue, white flag for this birthright, so I'm on. Never mentioned 3 villages in the airport is on. Recent history buried, but speaks through the sand. All to his long return, I don't seem to understand. A land without a people, people without a land. But see a man standing with a key and a deed in his hand. First stop, museum of the Holocaust. Walking outside, in the distance, all goes throwing the Molotov. I was done with kerosene, mass graves, couldn't bear the scene. Wasn't the room, was the room that they I seen. Second stop. Change, and now I'm all full of changes, all that remains. My business, people, not places. As you see, the time remains in Arabic, they even replaces. Policies are deeper than race, deceitful and heinous, shall never be a piece of stable legal displacement. My business, people, not places. As you see, the times remains in Arabic, they even replaces. The policies is evil and race, deceitful and heinous, shall never be a legal stable legal displacement. Hey, hey. Everybody say free Palestine. Free Palestine. Say free Palestine. Free Palestine. Free Palestine. Free Palestine. Say free your mind. Free your mind. Listen, metamorphosis, no better metaphor for this. Lyrics depart, my lips paint you a self-portrait. My people make it out of Auschwitz in order to become our own oppressors. Present situation, the torturous. A fortress is built 25 feet tall. Think it's 5 feet of concrete, apartheid wall. Call it a security fence. All I see as far as eyes stretch, our superiority complex, a new dawn, an awakening. Eyes wide open to the lies spoken, paper thin, no lifetimes frozen. Keep changing, no faking, no playing pretend. I'm hoping to step outside without choking or breaking wind. From factories, focus and sulfur, not cess. Schools closed with chapters, getting ulcers from the stress. Breathing that gives you asthma is hazardous to your health. Just to be in the habits of Detroit, where our rest is a quest for the spirit of resistance. Can you hear it? This is when you listen, persistence. So what we fighting for? The day where you ain't even gotta fight no more. And that's the vision, risen up the heights we soar. I hope I opened up a can of worms where all these anecdotes, cause you can never candy hold the truth. And once you know with proof, then you can't ignore. Let me equip you with this handy quote. At the risk of sounding ridiculous, true revolutionaries guided by feelings of love. Give 100%, demolishing buildings and spilling civilians' blood. Collective punishment, but you know what I'm in, a new dawn. So rising on the horizon, it's a new day. Every opportunity lies in the crisis. Giving it to all when we fight this. In it for the long haul, no compromises. So oppression anywhere is oppression everywhere. Say oppression anywhere is. Say oppression anywhere is. Say oppression anywhere is. But the people united will never be divided. Said the people united.